We've made it through the worst of the cold. That was this morning, a record low of 18 with single-digit wind chills. But we're not totally out of the woods just yet. Our next speed bump is tonight into tomorrow morning. Cold weather advisory, temperatures falling into the 20s, wind chills falling below 20 by daybreak tomorrow. So continue to remember the 4 Ps, people, pets, plants, and pipes. Outside right now, we've got cloudy skies. Now those clouds actually are doing a little something to basically put a blanket on the atmosphere. Instead of a temperature free fall, we've only dropped from our high of 35 mid-afternoon to 32 right now. I'm going to go ahead and stay with a low of 26 overnight. But if the clouds, which are patchy right now, don't break too much, then we potentially may see temperatures stay up a little bit warmer than that. I'm also watching some moisture kind of pull down south near the valley. That's the origination point of what could be our wintry mix as we work our way into this time tomorrow night. So daybreak tomorrow, about 26, maybe a little warmer depending on the cloud cover situation. Cloudy skies tomorrow, high of 36. We bring in a 30% chance of wintry mix, which would favor freezing drizzle and or light freezing rain. I don't think it's going to be a big deal area-wide. I do think there could be some issues on elevated surfaces. We transition Saturday by about 9 a.m. from any wintry mix over to just cold rain. High temperature around 40, and we could be in the 60s by Sunday. So just hang in there. All right, let's talk about the possibilities. Brand new computer model data coming in, and it's actually a little lower than what it had been last night or even earlier today, but maybe just still a little light icing, about 4/100ths of an inch showing up for Austin, higher totals down into Hayes County. This computer model is showing higher totals in Blanco, Hayes, on toward Caldwell County. So the farther south you are, the better bet of seeing some issues. We go to a different set of models. This one says, nope, not a problem at all. And this one only has 1/100th of an inch of possible ice glaze. So I would say if you do have to be out traveling tomorrow, check first. Temperatures can be colder on those elevated surfaces. We may, by midnight tomorrow night, see some spotty areas of light ice glaze, not widespread and not steady. Here we are at 7 a.m. A little bit showing up here near Bastrop. Look at temperatures. We're right at 32 in Austin at 7 a.m. Saturday, but by about 8 a.m. we're up to 33. By 9 a.m. we're warmer and everything transitions over to just plain old rain by later after that. So overall, I do not expect this to be a significant impact. I do think there will be some issues. So we're going to go ahead and keep that weather alert in place as a precaution. And look at next week, 70s and 80s.